Hello, guys. Still your favorite host, Igwe. Yes, my name is Igwe. So, yeah, for today, I'll be taking on to creating events on Vascan. So, it could be an online event, it could be an physical event, but you want people to get a feel of it and all that. So, you can just jump into creating the event. So, click off this button, or you can just come to the events page here. But let's go with this. So, click on that create event. So create event takes you to this page. It creates new events, manage your galleries collection. So first thing we do first, as always, upload an image that describes or like to show what the event might be all about. So let's look for image that might work for that. Dashboard, nah, that's not good enough. Over this, this look nice, photographic kind of feel. So let's say this is a photographic event. All right. So short description is a truly eventful photographic event. Graphic event, not eventful. So description, same thing goes. You can describe it as much as you want. Say this event promises to be very interesting. To be very interesting. Artists and photographers are much welcome. And all that good stuff. You want to make it in bold, do as you please. So event start dates, event end dates. So when do I want is the event starting? Is it on the 15th? Is it on the 16th? This is the present day, so I'll just go with something ahead. So let's go with let's say the next day, tomorrow, 17th. End date, when does the event end? So let's go with 18th. So it ends on the 18th for some reason. Event location, so where is the physical location of this address? So I'll go with let's say somewhere in Bagada. See Bagada Lagos phase 2, Bariga, whatever it is that fits this description. I'll just go with Bagada phase 1, Obaniko, Pedro Lagos. So what kind of event is it? Is it an exhibition? Is it an art fair? Is it an art salon? Whatever it is, I'll just go with exhibition. So what kind of artist will be there, or who's the artist for this event? So let's search down. I'll just go with this guy. He looks very interesting. For Labomi Amo, with all the Yorubaness, Yoruba richness about it. I like that. So what are you displaying for your event? What artworks are you displaying? Are we expecting to see in that event? So let's just go with everything in my catalog. So let's go with 3 of them. So then I can then add the event. I filled up the form, so let's add the event. So add the event. It loads up, picks up everything that I've submitted in my form, and it creates the event. So you see, event has been created successfully. So here you can then see it. So this is a photographic event. All that good stuff is that it's right there. So the same thing as the other management pages, you can show the deleted ones. If I've deleted anything before, it will show in that place. So you see right here now, I have deleted something before. So you see now, I made a mistake while creating this event, so I deleted it. So you see now it shows there. Same thing here. So we'll go back to the ones that are visible to every other person. So search for the event. Let's just search for this my artistic birthday. So my art, let's just go with my art. So it searches for that event and loads it up for me. See how that works smoothly. And also filters. I can filter by exhibition, art fair, or art salon, or wherever it is. They're all exhibition for some reason. I guess in my next one I'll just do an art salon or whatever. Also I can edit, so the pencil field there is telling me that I can edit that event for or whatever reason that I might have. So click off that pencil fill, it takes me to this page. I can edit it. So short description, um, picturistic event. Let's go with that. So yeah, I can change the date. There's a mistake, event location, wherever it is that I want to change, I will change it and update that event. So updating that event, it updates all of that for me. So yes, that's all. So that's how to create an event and how to edit an event. So yeah, thank you very much, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.